this video, I will show how to manage collections and upload documents in Transkribus Lite. Once you have logged into your account, you will see the collection overview. On this page, you will be able to view and manage the complete list of collections that you have access to. At the top of the page, you can find the options bar. When you click on it, you will be able to select or deselect the different options that you would like to see. You can view the collections ID, the name of the collection, your role, the collection description, and the number of documents in the collection. With the Create button, you can create new collections. Once you have created the collection, you just need to refresh the page with the Reload button, and then you will see your new collection in the collection list. When you click on a collection in the overview, the single collection view will open. This is the place where you can organize and manage your collection. The document table will show you a complete list of all the documents that are in the collection. Again, on top you have the options bar that allows you to show and hide different columns of the list. How to upload images? Via the Upload tab. Images, JPEGs or PNGs, as well as PDF files can be uploaded. All you have to do is define a document title and select the images you want to upload from your computer. Once you have selected the images, you will see all the selected images in a list. And before uploading, you can still remove images from this list. Once your images are ready for uploading, just hit Submit. And the images will be uploaded to the new document that you have defined. You will be redirected to the Jobs page to view your upload job. You can see the status of the job and can get to the image via this job line. And now we can see that the job is not finished yet. Please reload the page in order to see if the status has changed. Now it is finished, and by clicking on it we will be directed to the single page view. Also, when you click on a document in the document overview, you will arrive here. Here we have an overview of all the pages in the selected document. Below there are two action buttons, View Page and Download. By clicking on View, the page viewer will be opened. The image is shown on the left side. On the right side you can see the transcribed text. For a newly created document, the right side is empty. By hovering or clicking on one line of text, the corresponding text will be highlighted on the other side. You can switch between different versions of the document by clicking on this button. Here it shows the currently loaded version status. As for the download, you can either download the image of the page in different sizes or the transcribed text of the page in XML or TXT format. Last but not least, we will have a look at the Collection Manager that allows you to organize every aspect of the collection. You can access it via the document overview of a collection. Within the User tab, you can manage all the users of a collection. You can remove existing users or change their role by clicking on them in the list. With this button, you can add new users via their Transkribus account email address. In the Documents tab, you can delete your existing documents or link them to other collections by clicking on the individual document. Within the Tags tab, all of your tags can be seen, edited, and new ones can be added as well. By default, you will find some predefined tag categories. You can edit the name, add or remove attributes, and choose a color for every tag. And you can also remove tags. Please don't forget to save your tag configuration once you have finished the setup. And then we have the Characters tab. In this one you can add and remove Unicode characters that you want to use in your collection. For additional explanations, how-to guidelines and other videos, you can always consult our knowledge base on the Read Co-op website.